Today's topic is fasciola hepatica. Common name is sheep liver fluke or common liver fluke. Nematodes are called as, also known as flukes. So here is fasciola hepatica. Hepatica means liver. So sheep liver fluke or common liver fluke. Geographical distribution, it is cosmopolitan. Cosmopolitan means found all over the world. Now the habitat, Fasciola hepatica is a parasite of herbivorous animals. For example, sheep, goat, cattle, and adult worms are found in the biliary passage of liver. Biliary passage of liver of herbivorous animals, that is sheep, goat, cattle. It is occasionally found in man. Occasionally means aksar, found in man. Now the morphology. It is a large lip-shaped fluke. Oral sucker. This is acecabulum, or also known as ventral sucker. This is intestinal ceca. Uterus, testis, ovary. So this is the diagram of Fasciola hepatica. A operculum, yolk mass. Cave of Fasciola hepatica. Another morphology. It is a large lip-shaped fluke. Measuring 3 centimeter into 1.5 centimeter. 3 centimeter in length and 1.5 centimeter in breadth. It is brown to pale grey in color. Brown to pale grey in color. It contains 2 suckers. First one is oral sucker and second one is known as ventral sucker or sternum. The oral sucker is smaller and about 1 millimeter in diameter, whereas ventral sucker is larger. It is 1.6 centimeter in diameter. The anterior end of the worm bearing the oral sucker forms a conical projection. The acetabulum or ventral sucker is situated in the line joining the 2 soldiers, formed by broadening of the conical projection. Conical projection का जो broadening होता है उसको soldier बोला जाता है. soldier को join करने वाला लाइन के पास ventral sucker रहता है. The posterior end is rounded or slightly pointed. The 2 intestinal cilia bear a number of lateral compound branches. The genital system is similar to that of other chromatodes and contains uterus, ovary and testes. The lifespan of adult worm in sheep is 5 years, and that in man, lifespan of worm in man is 9 to 13 years. Sheep 5 years, man 9 to 13 years. Now the egg characteristics of eggs are as follows. It is operculated, ovoid in shape and brown, yellow, that is bile-stained in color. Size 140 micron into 80 micron. 140 micron into 80 micron. It contains large unsegmented ovum in a mass of yolk cells. It is the eggs are secreted in duodenum along with the bile and passed out in the feces or stool. It does not flow in saturated solution of common salt. It does not float in the saturated solution of common salt. It develops only in water. It develops only in water. Now the life cycle. The worm completes its life cycle in 2 different hosts. Definitive hosts are herbivorous animals, that is sheep, goat and cattle. It is it is found in the biliary passages of liver of these animals. It is occasionally also found in man. The sheep is primarily the reservoir host. The reservoir host is sheep. Second, intermediate host, snails of genus Limnia. Snails of genus Limnia. The larval stage develops in the larval stage proceeds its development inside the snails. So the eggs are passed out in the feces of definitive host in water. Inside the water, ciliated miracidium develops. Ciliated miracidium develops inside the egg in about 2 to 3 weeks. 2 to 3 weeks. Ciliated miracidium. Ciliated miracidium. It is the larval stage of Cassula hepatita. Ciliated miracidium develops inside the egg in about 2 to 3 weeks time. It floats in it floats in the water in search of suitable intermediate host. On finding the suitable intermediate host, the ciliated miracidium enters into the limped species of molluscan host, where it passes through the stages of sporocyst, and 2 generations of radii. 2 generations of radii. Finally, it develops into Cercaria. The mature Cercaria comes out from the snails in water, and it gets encysted on the grass blades or water crescent. Grass blades and water crescent. Encysted cercaria is known as metacercaria. The metacercaria or encysted cercaria are swallowed by the sheep or other herbivorous animals, also by man. In the gastrointestinal tract, the encysted cercaria, that is metacercaria, gets excysted. Excysted means cyst lost होता है, तो it gets excysted in the duodenum of GIT. It penetrates the intestinal wall to enter into the peritoneal cavity and pierces the capsule of liver parenchyma. Ultimately gets localized into the biliary passage of liver. The migration takes about 1 month, and the worm gets sexually mature and starts laying eggs in about 3 to 4 months time from the time of infection. In this way, the cycle is repeated. So, the life cycle eggs passed out in the feces. Eggs passed out in the feces of definitive host, ciliated miracidium, develops in 2 to 3 weeks time. It swims in water, and on finding suitable intermediate host, that is snail of genus Limnia, inside the lymph sacs, lymph spaces of molluscan host it passes through the stages of sporocytes in lymph spaces of molluscan host. The Miracidium larva passes through the stages of sporocyst and 2 generations of radii finally transformed into Cercaria. Mature Cercaria comes out. Mature Cercaria comes out from snails to water. They become insisted on grass blades and water passage, that is Jalkumbhi, water passage. These are known as Metacercaria. When get insisted, these are known as Metacercaria. Metacercaria swallow swallowed by herbivorous animals while grazing. These are swallowed by herbivorous animals and man also by man. In GIT, gastrointestinal tract, gets excisted in the duodenum. Gets excisted in the duodenum, penetrates the intestinal wall, penetrates the intestinal wall to enter into peritoneal cavity. It pierces the capsule, of liver parenchyma. Pierces the liver parenchyma and enters into biliary passage. Where gets localized and becomes adult worm and sexually mature. After that, the liberates eggs in the bile, which passes through the phases of definitive host in about 1 to 4 months of infection. The mature one liberates eggs. In this way, the cycle is completed. So this is life cycle of Phaseolus hepatica. Now the pathogenicity. Human infection with Phaseolus hepatica is not uncommon. Phaseolus hepatica causes a disease known as fascioliasis. This is characterized by biliary colic, means pain abdomen with vomiting and more or less persistent diarrhea. Biliary colic means pain abdomen, vomiting and more or less persistent diarrhea. Phaseolus hepatica is primarily responsible for disease in animals causing liver rot. The disease caused in animals is known as liver rot. the young worms, that is Metasaccharide or Adenosaccharid, while passing through the biliary passage or common bile duct, causes extensive damage to the bile duct and heavy infection leads to development of portal cirrhosis. Heavy infection leads to development of portal cirrhosis. While in the biliary passage, they also interferes with normal flow of bile and causes features of obstructive jaundice. The adult ones in the bile duct causes cystic dilatation of bile duct by mechanical irritation and toxic secretion. There is proliferation of epithelium of bile ducts which gives rise to adenoma. So these are the pathogenicity or pathogenic features, clinical features of fascioliasis. Now the lab diagnosis, it is done by demonstration of operculated eggs in the microscopic examination of feces or stool or bile obtained by duodenal intubation. The eggs of Fasciola hepatica and Fasciolosis busci are indistinguishable, means दोनों का एक सिमिलर होता है. Now the treatment, injection Imetin gives good result in case of fasciolosis. Recently, Githionol injection Imetin gives beneficial result in case of fasciolosis, but recently Githionol has found to be effective remedy for fasciolosis. Means ethanol is more better drug for treatment of fasciolosis. Now the prophylaxis. Human infection can be prevented by eradication of disease in animals. Herbivorous animals. Eradication of disease in herbivorous animals. Measures includes the treatment of disease in animals and destruction of molluscan host. So this is about the Fasciola hepatica. Thank you. हो गया